You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce. I know the name of this actor is very confusing, but let's break it down. It's easy once you know. It means Keanu is how it's pronounced, meaning cool breeze from Hawaiian name. In Hawaiian it's actually Keanu, but in English it's usually pronounced as Keanu. Keanu, stress on the A syllable. Keanu, and then Reeves. Easy once you know Keanu Reeves, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.